Hi, I'm Christien. I'm part of a diverse group of scientists sharing a deep passion for addressing incurable diseases using new technology. Today, regretfully, many people around the world suffer from incurable genetic diseases. These diseases are caused by mutations in the DNA of our cells, much like a broken software in a computer. A decade ago, scientists discovered an enzyme called SpikeCas9 that could be guided to the broken software to alter it. To perform this task in a patient requires a special vehicle. However, SpikeCas9 turned out to be too big to fit in it, so my colleagues and I synthetically created thousands of smaller and more accurate alternatives to SpikeCas9. This eventually led to the discovery of Surgeon, which, to our delight, performed excellently in our research. This discovery makes us proud, and we look forward excitedly to future scientific developments towards addressing incurable diseases.